Let's learn about brain in this particular class. Okay, so we are moving on towards the next paragraph of discussion from Clayden book. Again, let's not forget other creatures in the previous in the previous paragraph, in previous lectures paragraph we had learnt about humans. Okay, now let us learn about cats. Now let us learn about cats. Okay, so cats seem to be able to go to sleep anywhere at any time. So cats are able to go to sleep anywhere. Okay, the cats have the ability to sleep anywhere and at any time. Okay, even during tough times, even during tough times, even during tough times, cats are able to sleep. Even during tough times, cats are able to sleep. Okay, so cats seem to be able to go to sleep anywhere and at any time. At any time they will sleep, and they are able to sleep anywhere. Okay, even if the music is being played loudly. Okay, loud music is being played, even if loud music is being played, still cats seem to be able to sleep properly. Cats are able to sleep properly. Okay, they are able to sleep properly even if the music is loud. Okay, or even if there is a lot of artificial lighting, even if there is loud music or there is a lot of artificial lighting. Okay, still the cats are able to sleep properly. Okay, this surprisingly simple compound. Now this is the compound, okay, which has been extracted from the brain of the cats. This compound has been extracted from brains of cats. Okay, this compound has been extracted from brains of cats, and it looks something like this. Okay, and its common name is oleamide. Okay, its common name is oleamide. Okay, oleamide. Okay, it helps in sleep regulation. Obviously, when this chemical is secreted, okay, when this chemical is secreted, cats feel sleepy. When this chemical is secreted, cats feel sleepy. Okay, cats feel sleepy when this chemical is secreted, okay, in their brain. Its common name is oleamide, and its IUPAC name is like this. IUPAC name is cis 9,10 octadecinomide. Okay, cis 9,10 octadecinomide. Okay, it is a sleep inducing fatty acid derivative. Now what are fatty acids? Okay, suppose if instead of NH2, if instead of NH2 there is OH here, hydroxyl group, instead of this NH2 there is hydroxyl group over there, then this will be what? This will be fatty acid. Okay, this will be fatty acid if instead of NH2 OH group is there. Okay, if instead of this original NH2 if there is OH group, it will be called as fatty acid, right? It will be called as fatty acid. Okay, but if we remove the OH, if we remove the OH and we put NH2 instead of OH, instead of OH here we put NH2, then it becomes fatty acid derivative. Okay, so this is the meaning of fatty acid derivative. Now this is the name of the compound. Now why it has been named like that? Octadecene. Okay, this word octadec. Okay, what does it mean by octadec? Octadec means 18 in number, 18 carbon atoms. Octadec means 18 carbon atoms. So are there 18 carbon atoms? Let us check. Are there 18 carbon atoms? Let us check whether there are 18 carbon atoms or not. This is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon, this is sixth carbon, this is seventh carbon, this is eighth carbon, this is ninth carbon, this is 10th carbon, this is 11th carbon, this is 12th carbon, this is 13th carbon, this is 14th carbon, this is 15th carbon, this is 16th carbon, this is 17th carbon, and this is 18th carbon. Okay, so 18 carbon chain is there. 18 carbon chain consisting of 18 carbons. A chain consisting of 18 carbons is present. Okay. Now at the positions 9 and 10, a double bond is present. A double bond is present at the positions 9 and 10. That's why 9, 10. That's why 9, 10, because double bond is present at 9, 10 positions. That's why cis 9, 10. Now why cis? Cis because the bulky groups. Okay, over here there is hydrogen here. Okay, over here there is hydrogen over here there is hydrogen, and over here there is hydrogen. Okay. Now the bulky groups, the lighter groups are on the same side of the double bond. The lighter groups, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay. The lighter groups, hydrogen and hydrogen, are on the same side of the double bond, and the bulkier groups, are also on the same side of the double bond. The lighter groups are also on the same side of the double bond, and the bulkier groups are also on the same side of the double bond. That's why cis. That's why cis suffix. Why 9 comma 10? 9 comma 10 because double bond is present at 9th and 10th carbons. That's why 9 comma 10. Octadec. Why octadec? Octadec because 18 carbon chain is present. So octadec. And amide. Okay. Why amide? Decinoamide. Amide because of this particular group. Okay. Amide suffix because of this particular group. Okay. This particular group is called as amide. Okay. That's why the suffix amide. Okay. So that's how is the IUPAC name, cis 9, 10 octadecinoamide. Okay. Cis 9, 10 octadecinoamide. Okay. And it is called oleamide. In common language. Its common name is oleamide. Okay. So this surprisingly simple compound which I had shown you just now, this particular surprisingly simple compound, okay, isolated from the cerebrospinal fluid of cats. Now what does it mean by cerebrospinal fluid? So the meaning of cerebrospinal fluid is that it is a fluid which is present in brain and in spinal cord. Okay, it is a liquid, it is a fluid, or it is a liquid present in brain and present in spinal cord. Okay. So why is it present in brain and spinal cord? Why this cerebrospinal fluid is present in brain and spinal cord? Because it acts as a cushion. In case of injury. To the brain or injury to the spinal cord. In case of injury, it acts as a cushion. Okay. It reduces the blow. It reduces the damage. Acts as cushion. What does it mean by acts as cushion? Acts as cushion simply means that reduces the injury. Okay. Acts as cushion simply means that reduces the injury. Okay. So this is the function of cerebrospinal fluid. Okay. One of the function. It is present in brain and spinal cord. It is a liquid present in brain and spinal cord. Okay. It is also present in hollow parts. Okay. It is also present in hollow parts of brain and spinal cord. Okay. Hollow parts of brain and spinal cord. It is also present in hollow parts of brain and spinal cord. So it is also present in hollow parts of brain and spinal cord. So our brain and spinal cord have many hollow parts. Okay. Our brain and spinal cord have many hollow parts. So this cerebrospinal fluid is present in hollow parts of brain and hollow parts of spinal cord. So it is present there. Okay. Now how is the word derived? So the word is derived like this from Latin language. The word has been derived from Latin language. Okay. From Latin language, the word has been derived. The word has been derived from Latin language. Okay. So cerebrum means brain. And spinal means spinal cord. Okay. Cerebrum means brain. In Latin, brain is called as cerebrum. In Latin language, brain is called as cerebrum, and spinal cord is simply called spinal cord. Okay. Spinal cord is called as spinal in Latin. Okay. So that's how the word cerebrospinal has been derived. It has been derived from this word, and it has been derived from this word, and these words are from Latin language. Okay. So this surprisingly simple compound, okay, isolated from the cerebrospinal fluid of cats, appears to be part of their sleep control mechanism. So this is a part of sleep control mechanism. Okay, Okay, sleep control mechanism. Okay, this is a part of sleep control mechanism in cats. Okay, This is a part of sleep control mechanism in cats. So this particular compound is a part of sleep control mechanism in cats. When this compound is secreted, in the brain, cats feel sleepy. Okay, cats feel sleepy when this compound is secreted in their brains. Okay, so this is the thing. Appears to be a part of their sleep control mechanism. So this compound appears to be a part of their sleep control mechanism. He is talking regarding cats. Okay. Now similar to cats, it makes them means cat, it makes them or rats or humans feel asleep immediately. So when this compound is released, even in humans and rats also this compound is found. Okay, this compound is found in cats also, this compound is found in rats also, and this compound is also found in humans as well. Okay, this compound is also found in humans as well. So cat, rats, and humans, cats, rats, and humans. So it is found in cats, it is found in rats, it is found in humans. And when it is secreted, okay, we fall asleep immediately. Okay, so it makes cats, it makes rats, it makes cats, it makes rats, it makes humans, fall asleep immediately. Okay, fall asleep immediately. Okay, it makes cats, it makes rats, it makes humans fall asleep immediately when secreted. Okay, fall asleep immediately when secreted. Okay, so this is the thing. So this is the meaning of cerebrospinal fluid. And this is the compound which we talked about. Okay, so this is the thing. Now please subscribe to my channel and please like the video.